Cybersecurity is really hard, and businesses have told us time and time again they really struggle to get it right. We felt that security really needed to be simple and made easy for businesses of all sizes. All the critical cybersecurity investments that you need to make, penetration testing, managed SIEM, endpoint protection, scanning, phishing, and training all exist in Defence.com. We deliver it in a cost-effective way that means that businesses don't pay too much for their cybersecurity. What we've also done is built the solution so that it can be used by anybody in the business. It's not just a solution for techies, but also include experts, provide people that know how to use the technology and to be able to provide that advice and extend our customers' teams. The real concept is to just make it super simple. Build an innovative solution that's really simple for customers to adopt and get the best security they can. Defence.com gives your business complete security in a simple way, supported by experts.